Grade 2, grade 2, grade 2. Hi everyone, welcome to our science class. And then for this quarter, for our first topic, we're gonna talk about animals. Arr. Okay, so the first topic is the body parts of animals. So let's first go to the insect. So the insect has three main parts: the head, the thorax, and then the abdomen. Okay, so look at the picture there. Okay, this is the head, this is the thorax, and this is the abdomen. Again, the insect has three main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. So what is the head? Of course, the head carries the antenna and the eyes of the insect. And then what is antenna? Okay, do you know where is antenna? There, as you can see in the picture. Okay, antenna is used for feeling, for hearing, for smelling, and for tasting. Again, the antenna of the insect is used for what? For feeling, for feeling, for hearing, for smelling, and for tasting. What about the thorax? What is the work of the thorax? The thorax is where the three pair of legs grow out from underneath. So this is the thorax, and the three pairs of legs grow out from underneath the thorax. Okay, so now also the insects, they have wings, and most insects have their one or two parts of wings on top of thorax, but others, they lack wings. Okay, legs, all insects have three pair of jointed legs. So three pairs, three here, then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, like that. Okay, and then the last one is the abdomen. It contains the organs like the stomach, the intestine, and the tubes for laying eggs. Okay, again, the insect has three main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head carries the antenna and the eyes, and the use of antenna is for tasting, for smelling, for hearing, and for feeling. And then the thorax is where the three pairs of leg grow out from underneath. And of course, the insects, they have some wings and also legs and abdomen. Okay, so now let's take a look again at the picture of the insect here. There. Okay, now let's proceed to the fish. The fish is, of course, it is covered with a scales or slippery skin for protection. It takes in water through its mouth and then pushes the water out through the slits located behind their head. Inside the slits are the gills that look like red brushes. And gills take in oxygen from the water so that the fish can live. And some fish have small mouths, others have a large mouths. Okay? So again, the body covering of the fish is scales or slippery skin. Okay po? And then, look at the fish here. Okay, so we have some tails, the fins, and then here the gills, the eye, the nostril, and the mouth. Okay, now let's go to our bird. A bird, their body covering of the birds are feathers. And they have legs because their bodies are held up high by two legs. Also, the birds, they have wings. All birds have wings. Although some birds cannot fly, but still they have wings. And of course, the birds, they have beaks, beaks, beaks. Birds that feed on insects have pointed beaks. Some birds have hooked beaks to rip the fish that they nibble in small pieces. Okay, and the last one part of the bird is the claws. Also help them to get their food, right? They are getting the fish or the rats, yung mga big birds. Okay, yung malalaking mga birds. Again, the birds, their body covering is feathers. They have legs. Also, they have wings. And they have beaks. Okay, some of the beaks are pointed and some are what? Hooked. Okay, and also they have claws. Now, look at the birds here. Okay po, now let's proceed to the snake. A snake, the body of the snake has two parts, the head and the long muscular trunk. Okay? Again, the snake had the body of the snake has two parts, the head and the long muscular trunk. And the body covering of the snake is scaly skin. They does not have feet and they move by slithering. It does not chew its food but swallow it whole. Its body is stretchable. Even a human can fit. Okay? And then they have tongue. And the uses of their tongue is for smelling. Snakes has a good sense of smell and uses it to find food. Okay? So, look at, I will show you some snakes. Oh, so scary. Okay, now let's proceed to the cat. Cat belongs to the higher dorm of animals called mammals. So the body covering of cats are hair or fur. They have muscular bodies and have lungs that help them breathe. Most mammals have two pairs of legs for walking. Young mammals are fed by their mother with the milk secreted by their breast. Again, the cat belong to a mammal. Their body covering is hair or fur. Okay, they have two pair of legs and they are feeding their babies. Look at the cat here. Nice, right? Okay, now animals have different body parts and each body part has its own use or function. Animals use parts of their body for moving around, getting food, breathing, caring for their young, and protecting themselves. Okay? So again, these are our lesson for today, the parts of the animals. The insect, we have here fish, the bird, the snake, and the last is the cat. So we don't have a book work to answer, but you are going to study for our quiz tomorrow. So that's all, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.